Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info.
एक दिल एक सपना दो दोस्तों ने देखा, प्यार से दुनिया को सजाना सीखा। नन्हे कदमों को देना सहारा, हर दिल में जगाना उजियारा। चलो बढ़ाए एक कदम साथ मिलकर, मानवता का दीप जलाए मिलकर।
Started by two friends, Amita and Brinda. We just were having a normal conversation to do something different with a purpose, and that's how EKF was born in our hearts 3 years ago. On the paper on April 29th, 2024. This year, 2025, September 3rd, EKF celebrated its first anniversary at NIPID with special children, because anniversary is a special program for EKF. We have been working with these kids for quite some time. We feel so connected, so warm, happy, and spiritually at peace with them. When we go to NIPID, we just feel it is our home. That's how EKF's first anniversary program was finalized, done at NIPID. Now, what all we did during the last 1 year is a journey which we are still wondering how we did all this with our ladies around us, with our volunteers around us, with our members around us. It was a journey to be proud of, to be humbled, to know that we can do this much with all our family responsibilities, personal responsibilities, still all our members. Many of them, I need not name all of them because all of them are my stars, my angels who have worked with me and are continuing to do so. They stand as a backbone for EKF. Let me share what all happened on the anniversary day. So we had an art gallery by special kids. These are the art which has touched by wonders. We had dance performances by special kids. Akshara is a special child who has created not just world records in Guinness Book of World Record, Limca records, and many more. We had models performance on that day. We had army dance, that was the goosebumps which it brought to each one of us to think patriotism is not in the heart alone, not in the mind alone. It is in the action which we do it. Our ladies of EKF performed their dance. Oh, I have to tell you this. A new member, she bought her 1 year old, not even 1 year old child, very young baby, and she did a dance performance with that child. So, work, personal life, home life, responsibilities, we do manage all this along with our passion to do something different. That's where EKF comes into the picture. We say, you do, you want to do, you come to us, approach us, we will do it together. On the anniversary day, we have distributed machineries, 5 coffee vending machines, 5 popcorn vending machines, 5 acrylic vending machines, 5 thermocol vending machines, 10 tabs, and toys, board games, much more. These machines specially were given to the trained special children who can they start their life on their own independently and can start earning and being a support for the family. Isn't it wonderful? Oh, I forgot to tell you, we also gave 5 offer letters. So these job opportunities were also provided to the special children. Feel so humble, feel so complete, feel so peaceful when I see these kids being on their own. I forgot to tell you, on the anniversary day, we had special children, partially blind boys, along with my friend Brinda, who is also a founder vice chairperson, performing song on the stage. These children have been constantly performing at different locations. The passion which they had, but the platform is provided by EKF. So since last 1+ years, we have been grooming them by giving them special trainings on the passion they have, like drums, like guitar, like piano, keyboard, or the singing. Along with it, they are also given personality development sessions. So we have children with partially blind, completely blind, who are trained specifically to lead a more meaningful life. They are not dependent for day to day activities on anybody, they can start on their own. If any of our activities excite you, you, the viewers on the other side, feel like seeing this, being part of it, get connected to us through any of our social media channel. It is a WhatsApp channel. You can search us on WhatsApp channel as Ek Kadam Foundation on Insta, on Facebook, and also don't forget to you can have a look at our website Ek Kadam Foundation. The purpose is so very clear. You have so many thoughts to do, but you might be hesitating to take that one step, or you may be thinking kal karenge, या you may be thinking अरे कैसे करेंगे. For all these questions which you have in your heart or in your mind which is not allowing you to take that step, please move one step and move to Ek Kadam Foundation. Waiting to see you all. Let's do something wonders together.
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.